Hello friends, today I'm going to make delicious plantains, very healthy snacks for both kids and adults. First, choosing a right color plankton to cook is important. The green plankton is still unripe, so the yellow plankton with the black spots is the perfect for pan frying or air frying. The perfect yellow color, and more the black spot the sweeter it is. Let's cut this one. Peel the plankton and cut it into the bite-sized pieces, just like this. Take a pan and add cooking oil to it, and add the plankton pieces to it, and let it cook. Turn the plankton pieces one by one once they start to change the color. Wait till the other side of the plankton cook. Let the plankton color change to the crisp golden before flipping it. Perfect. Isn't they look delicious? The plankton is now ready. You can sprinkle a little salt if you want. While compiling the video, I'm hungry again. Friend, this is an easy and quick recipe. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.